hope so. Here we go.
Yep.
What's she reading?
Have a look on the side. It's got pounds and kilos on it. It's got pounds and kilos on it.
Gonna net him. Done well, mate. How good is it?
That's a little Spanish.
Yes. Little Spaniard. Righto.
What you still got it?
Yep, yep. How was it?
That's good.
Hutty, first fish of the day, eh? Good stuff.
It's time to land the Barracuda! Yeah!